morning. Welcome.
Thank you. I want to see your boss.
Oh, okay, let me get him.
Okay.
Are you what? Are you talking back at me? Do you know who are standing? Hey! Excuse me. You are an idiot. I'm not supposed to get messed and I walk away. What's your problem? Are you talking to me like that? Did I work for you? Are you talking to me like that? I'm not this my Leave my house. Leave this place now before I leave you. I'm not going anywhere, Mr. Man. You have to pay me my money. I am begging you to leave before I lose my temper. Lose your temper. I'll lose my temper on you. Lose it. I want to lose your temper and still walk. Now leave. Nonsense. Let me leave before I enjoy you. Look at her. That's what you're looking. Idiot. Hey. Babe. You see this man wey stay here. I don't even know what they do for here. But I just know say na money I won't collect. You know if he give una anything. 2 plus me, that is 3. Now Shofiri, that man no get sense. When I just sit down like this. Sorry, na him una name. This one. You no go pay you. I dey tell you no go pay you. No Shofiri, you no go pay. Nonsense. Just don't get sense with your flat ash rubbish.
Ma, he will be with you guys soon.
Doc.
Yes.
Please, the he. Is that the he I'm working for?
Yes.
Doc, see, please. You know this nurse job. I don't know this job very well. I'm still a kid. I'm not qualified.
Listen, if you weren't good at this, I wouldn't bring you here. Besides, I'm here to assist you need be. So just relax, okay? Good morning, sir.
Morning, please.
Good morning, sir.
Have your seat, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Is Eva right?
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. Please, what's your name?
Robert, sir.
Rhoda.
Yes, sir.
I see. Have you told her all her job entails?
Oh, yes. She will be in full capacity of caregiving while I will attend to his drugs and his serious medical attentions.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Rhoda, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. The guy in question is my brother. And then I take him seriously. I do not joke with him. So as I'm taking him seriously, you should take your own job seriously. No mistakes at all. Okay? So you follow all the instructions that were given to you by the doctor.
Okay, sir.
Good. For your salary, we'll start with 150,000 per month. All right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very good. I think for now, she should go and get familiar with my brother.
Okay, sir.
Please, it's very, very important.
Okay, let's go.
Alex, what's up now? We know they pull up again. I know taking the time. Okay. No, the other area. Very nice. I'll be out soon.
This year, I did my own. You did like that. Doctor, you see? Hey.
Timmy, how are you? Why are you hiding your face?
I am shy.
You're shy. Why?
You came here with a fine girl.
I thought you liked fine girls.
Don't you know that if I see a fine girl, I'll be shy? Don't you know?
Oh. Timmy, men don't get shy. You're a man.
Yeah. I'm a man. I'm not shy.
Good. This is Rhoda, your new caregiver.
Caregiver? I'm not a child that needs a caregiver. I'm a grown-up.
You're right. You see, I will not be here all the time. We need her. And you also need help.
Okay. Welcome, caregiver.
Thank you. My name is Rhoda.
You're welcome.
These are his drugs. One every morning. Make sure you do not skip. A day you skip this will cause violence. And before his drugs finishes, make sure you alert me so we can replace them on time. I repeat, do not skip a day. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, doctor.
James downstairs is his chef. He makes his food and every other thing. Make sure you keep his environment clean. Okay? Your room is downstairs.
Okay. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
It's nothing, just do your job right. Timmy!
Doctor!
I'll be leaving now.
Okay. Bye-bye. Fine caregiver. I like... Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm carrying you on my hand. I'm tumbling. Very soon, when you grow up like me, you'll be tumbling. Oh, see that? She's fine. And she has hair. Her hair is long. So when your hair grows, I will plait it to be long at your back. Oh, stay here.
Are you okay? You sure?
Mhm.
That's nice. All done. Clean.
Thank you, Auntie.
Oh. my name is Rhoda, not Auntie.
Okay, thank you, Auntie Rhoda. Auntie Rhoda, I want to watch football.
Football again? We've been watching that all day. Are you not tired?
No, I'm not tired. I want to watch football.
Come in.
Watch football for me. Hello, sir. Good evening. Sir, food is ready. It's porridge, yam, and fish.
Me, I don't want to eat porridge, yam, and fish. I'm not eating porridge, yam, and fish.
Sir, I'm just following the menu the doctor gave me.
What is menu? Auntie Rhoda, what is menu? I'm not eating that porridge, yam, and fish. I'm not eating porridge, yam, and fish.
Sir, please.
Porridge, yam, and fish. I'm not eating porridge, yam, and fish!
Hey, take it easy. It's okay. Calm down. Look at me. Look at me. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. Calm down. You don't want to eat porridge and fish. But you want to watch football. Right? So, why don't you eat the food, then you watch football? Look. Imagine watching football and eating porridge and fish. Remember, it's healthy and you need to take your medication.
Okay. It will be nice.
You're going to eat. Because it's healthy. It's very healthy.
It's very healthy.
For you.
For you.
And you want to watch football.
I want to watch football.
Such a cute young guy going through this kind of pitiful situation. It's obvious he wasn't born like this. What could have happened to him? How I wish he would survive this condition someday. Hey. You good?
Yes.
What does he like?
Oga is like a black book that no one can read or understand him. So if you want your peaceful stay in this house, just mind your business and do what you want.
I was actually talking about Mr. Timini.
Oh. Football, storytelling, cartoon, and play along music.
Okay. Thank you. Do you need help?
No, it's fine. I'm done.
I'll be in my room.
Okay.
So the poor and rejected girl met a man. And for no reason he was interested in her story. He didn't know her from anywhere. He was just compassionate and he wanted to know what really happened. So this man took her to the people that matters in the community, like the elders and the king. And he told them like, oh, we need to listen to her own side of the story. We cannot just judge. Then when they listened, they realized that it was a situation of being at the wrong place at the right time.
Hey.
And that was how the girl was free. She now became a member of the community. But look at the twist in the story. Do you know that the man that helped her, he was actually related to the king? He was the king's cousin. And they became friends. From friends, he married her. And from being a poor girl, she now became royalty.
I like your story.
You like my story?
I like it.
That's nice.
Thank you, Auntie.
So tell me, since you like the story, what did you learn? Tell me.
Be a rejected girl, so somebody will find you. A rich man will find you.
What?
Yes, now. Don't you know that rich people, they can be walking and see a rich person. It's rich people. They'll be walking and they will see a poor girl and they'll marry her. And you know that? Sure you are poor.
No, I'm not.
No. You have to be poor. So a rich man can find you. Oh? You have to be poor.
I have to be poor.
Please be poor.
I think I have to be poor. You're right. I have to be poor.
Just be poor. Be poor tomorrow. This man will find you.
Okay. I'll be poor.
Find you tomorrow.
So you like my story?
I like it. Will you tell me another one?
Okay. Let me think of another story.
Okay.
What kind of story do you want me to tell you? You like a story that has animals?
No, I used to fear rats. What? I don't like.
You don't like rats?
If it comes, I'll run.
Sit down.
Stop now.
Hey, Dr. Next. A very quick one. The board is requesting for a comprehensive medical report on his medical response for the past 3 months. And I've been running that company for a few months now, and I believe that they are good with my work. They are not complaining about that. But they need this medical report to be sure of his state and know if he'll be able to, recover before they make major decisions. You know what that means. I need you to do all you have to do, cover up all the tracks and get me a standard medical report. You know exactly what to do so that we don't lose out in any form. I don't want mistakes. So just do what you have to do, cover up all the tracks and get me a very nice report, then get back to me, please. No mistakes at all, please. Okay?
His heart is as innocent as that of a child. Regardless of how he behaves, I really enjoy his company.
Thank God he likes you. Because he was very funny with the caregiver. They always had issues.
Really?
Yes.
He doesn't seem like a problematic person to me.
But I think, aside that he likes you, he's one of the few good men I ever met in my life. So his situation really breaks my heart. And I wish I can help him. I wouldn't hesitate to.
But how long has he been like this?
3 months now.
Wow. What really happened?
He had severe mental damage. caused by trauma.
That's a pity.
James, how's the boss? Is he eating?
No, he refused to eat.
Again?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Anyway, I'll go check on him.
Rhoda, please be careful. You know how he gets. This minute is nice, the other minute is aggressive. I hope he doesn't attack you one day.
He won't.
Big brother, I have some documents I would love you to sign for me, okay?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
What do you mean by you're not happy? That's not even a problem. Whatever the problem is, I will solve it for you when you must have signed.
We need to. Say you are hungry. We need to eat. Bring food for us.
After signing, I will bring food for you and your baby. I promise. Okay? Just sign for me. Let me just go. Okay? Just sign.
This every day you be telling me to sign. The other day you say I should sign. Today again you're saying I'm sign. I'm not.
Stop putting your hand in my mouth. Stop putting your hand in my mouth.
Pushing my hand.
I'm pushing your hand. Stop. Why are you putting it in my mouth? Listen. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Come on, sorry. Sorry now. Sorry now. I'm the one begging you. Sorry. Just listen now. I'm the one begging you now. Just sign for me. Just sign, okay? I'll bring food for you, baby, when you sign for me. Please, Jongwa, just sign. I'll bring food for you now. Anything you want, I'll bring it for you. Sign now. I promise. I'll bring food for you and your baby. Yes. Just sign, please. Just sign here. Yeah?
Open your pen now.
This place.
Share.
Sign here now. Sign your signature now. What's the problem?
I'm trying to remember.
Remember what? Just sign your signature there now. What is it you're saying you want to remember?
Okay.
Just sign.
I don't remember again.
See, I'm not joking with you. See, I'm not joking with you. Sign this thing now. What's your problem? Sign this thing now. Let me get out of this place. What's your problem now? Sign. Put your signature here. Is it because I'm begging you?
Sorry. Yeah.
Sign this place. So make sure you sign it well. Sign it. Your normal signature. Sign it well.
Okay, don't be angry.
I'm not angry. So, sign. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Give me. Thank you. Was that hard for you? What are you doing for someone's problem? What are you doing here? Huh?
I came to check on Mr. Timmy, sir.
Oh, I see. He said he's hungry. Tell the chef to get him food. Immediately, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir. So what is it? Why are you crying?
Me. I'm sad. I'm hungry.
Remember, we're friends. And as your good friend, I cannot leave you in this state. So, why don't I get you food? Then we will look for an activity to make you happy. What do you say?
You get me food.
Yes.
Okay.
You like it? It's okay, stop crying. I'll get you something to eat now.
Until thank you.
You're welcome.
Why is your face looking like rain wants to fall? What's the problem?
Mr. Timothy's medicine has finished. And I didn't inform Doc early enough so she could send another one.
But you're the only one giving him drug. How come you don't know when the drug is about to finish?
See, it's not like I did not know. I kept tab. I did. I saw a similar container there. I thought it was the same medicine that was inside the container. Only for me to open it now and it's filled with painkillers.
I think you should call Doc.
Doc is not around. She traveled. I've even tried calling her. Her number is not reachable. You know, she even asked me before traveling if there was some left. I told her yes, a few container.
Now, what we could do now?
What will I do? What will I do? Because
They're gonna be around.
see, God. See. They specifically warned me not to skip this. Not even for one day, that if I should skip it, something bad will happen. How do I face Oga? What do I do?
Is there anyone left?
Yes. Just one.
Okay, this is what we'll do. Go to the pharmacy, show it to them, and see if you can get it.
Why didn't I think of this? I don't even know how much this will cost.
Let's just see the drug first, to know if it's expensive or not.
Sure. I'll quickly change and go to the pharmacy. Thank you. You're a lifesaver. Thank you so much.
I just don't understand. What are you saying?
I was equally as surprised as you are now when I found out that the drugs I was looking for was meant for dogs and not humans.
See, this country, I just don't understand. How someone can just employ anyhow people.
James, this is not even your qualification. Honestly, if it was one pharmacist, I would have said, okay, it was an honest mistake. I had to go to another one. And the person told me the same thing. I said, okay, tell me about these drugs. Let me Google. When I Googled, what they said was the truth. It was made for dogs.
Come. So, you believe that dog has been giving her boss drugs made for dogs?
I don't know what to believe. At this point, I don't know what to believe. Because how can she make such a mistake?
But dog has been in practice for years.
Or is it a deliberate act to achieve something?
What are you implying?
I need to see Yvette. That's the only person that can confirm if this is true. I need to see Yvette.
Okay, I know someone.
Perfect. Link me up to the person.
My phone. I need to get my phone.
So, boss has been on dog drugs for 3 months.
Why would Doc do such?
She's not working alone. I strongly believe that this is a group conspiracy.
Why?
And this is masterminded by Mr. Ray.
Why?
I overheard him shouting at Mr. Timini to sign the documents a few weeks ago. You know, he made me believe that he loves his brother and cares for his brother so much. So I was very surprised when I heard him shouting. You needed to have seen the way he was yelling at him. Mr. Timini was even crying after. Just for him to sign the document. God. How long have you been working here?
Close to 6 months now.
Jesus Christ, 6 months.
Yes.
Wait, when you came here, was he normal?
Yes. He was the best boss ever.
What do you mean by boss? He's the boss?
He's the owner of this house. Everything Ray enjoys now. Ray is his younger brother. See, a few months after I was employed, he started having challenges in his business, and one day he just came home, was annoyed and screaming. He went upstairs. Ray was trying to calm him down, and he slumped and was rushed to the hospital. That day they said he was diagnosed with of mental issue caused by emotional trauma. I don't just know. So since then, he was placed on dog drugs or whatever it is to stop him from being violent.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No. There is more to this than we know. No, this is not all. There is more to this, and we need to. Stop. Hello, Ma. You saw my message? Okay. I'll be expecting him. Okay. Doc, she said she's sending a dispatch rider to deliver Mr. Timina's medication. We need to know what is going on. We honestly need to.
So you're suggesting that we keep the drugs away from boss for now?
I know this might be risky, but what if this is our only means of helping him and also finding out the truth?
Mr. Ray and Doc are not in town. So I think, yes, let's do it and see what we can find. Yes.
Hey. Good morning.
Good morning, Buddha.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
What would you like to eat?
Jollof rice and boiled egg.
Okay. I'll tell that to the chef.
Thank you.
How is he?
As usual.
See, let's just watch him for a few days and see.
Are you sure we're doing the right thing?
We're just trying to help him. We can't go wrong trying to help a helpless man. We just have to monitor him.
Oh God. I'm really just hoping that nothing goes wrong.
Nothing will go wrong. I got your back. Anytime, anywhere.
So what do I call you?
You're Superman.
Okay. Superman. The boss is hungry. He said he wants to eat jollof rice with boiled eggs. So do your super eating.
I will.
Can you help?
It's okay. I'm your superhero.
Hey. There you are. Please have your seat. Have your seat, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. I am so happy. Like, I really feel so happy and accomplished. So, do you know that the board, having gone through his medical reports, they discovered on their own that his health was degenerating. It was not getting better. You understand? So, they needed someone to take up his place officially. Now, you and I know I have been working so hard to move up that company from one level to the other. So, they must have seen that, and then the fact that I'm his brother, they consider me worthy. I am telling you. So this is a very big news for me.
That's nice.
Thank you.
So you're now the new CEO.
You can say that again. You can say it again. I'm like, But then, I could have done this without you. I could have done it without your backup.
It's business as usual, sir.
Yeah.
Anything to secure the bag, I'm 100% in.
That is why I like you. That is why I like you. Nice one. So, what's the next thing now?
We need to clear off incriminating data from the database to have a clean slate.
I see. So, how do we go about this? How do we do it? Because it will be very, very bad if they find anything on me.
Kill Timini. Timmy, what do you think about Rhoda?
She's beautiful.
Beautiful?
That eyes is fine.
Bad boy. I know she's beautiful. I was actually asking if she has been taking good care of you.
Okay, she used to bring me food. She brings me plantain, porridge, yam. She brings me egg, jollof rice and egg. She sings for me. She dances for me. She makes me happy. She tells me stories. Before I go to bed, she will tell me story. She told me story here that how a rich man found a poor girl and they got married. And I asked her, "Sure you are poor?" She said, "No, and I beg her to be poor so that this man will find out tomorrow." And she said she'll be poor. So tomorrow, it's fine.
Wow. That's good. And you have to be good too, okay? You're really taking good care of it. Good job.
Thank you, doctor.
Give him this. Morning and night. Do not skip. Add it to his medications.
Doctor.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
Nice. Timmy, I'll see you again. Okay.
Alright. Your eyes is very good. Your eyes is fine.
So what is the situation now?
I have given Rhoda the drugs, boss.
Oh, very good, very, very good. So today is his end?
No. It's a gradual process.
I don't understand. Have we not wasted enough time on this? Huh?
Sir, we have to take it easy so it doesn't become suspicious.
Okay, that's right. So when is this plan going to really end? When is it going to end?
2 to 3 months max. So what that medicine is meant to do, it's meant to destroy his organs and gradually weaken him. Then within 3 months, he will be dead. Like, what level of wickedness is that? Jesus Christ! Do you know what they did? They put the freaking medicine in a nameless container so that whenever any medical practitioner should see it, you won't be able to identify what medicine it is.
Oh my God. The heart of a man is desperately wicked.
Jesus!
So these people want to kill this good man.
God. It's obvious they're after his money. Yes, that's all I can say. And they made me believe that the guy will be violent if he doesn't take it for even a day. I was so scared of him. And here he is 2 weeks without the medicine and he's absolutely fine.
They're still out to kill him.
God. See, this thing is way more serious and even scarier than we thought. If anybody had told me that Dr. Nex is capable of this level of wickedness, I would have said that person is a liar. At this point, I'm scared what they will do to us if they eventually find out that we are in on this.
No. This may not be as easy as we thought. But any fight for what is right is worth fighting. No matter what happens, I will protect you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure? You've not been happy since morning.
How do you know that?
I've been observing you.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Brother, I know you're tired. Get some rest. You mustn't be sweeping my room every day. Go get some rest.
Hey, sir.
Maybe, how are you? Please, make sure he doesn't sleep his brush, okay?
Hey. Okay, so let me have this.
Why?
Well, this is your dinner and you can always eat this tomorrow.
No, I want to eat this one and eat this one too.
No, look, this is not healthy for you. It's not. That's too much sugar.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll keep it safe, okay?
Okay, you can take it. I don't even want to eat it. I want to eat this one. Yay! you bring chicken for me.
If you didn't want to eat it, why did you collect it?
It is a gift for my brother and I cannot say no to it.
You can, if you want to.
Won't he misunderstand it? You think he poisoned it? Okay, listen. I will not tell my brother that you don't like him, and I will not tell him that you've never given me my drugs.
Please, don't tell him, okay? Please, I'm begging you, don't tell him.
No, I won't tell him. If I don't like that drug, that dog is bitter.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't like it, right? Don't tell him. Okay, it's our little secret.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. So let me eat this one. Maybe. I don't even know why you people do this thing like this. So. Yeah, have you eaten?
Yes.
You've eaten. Okay. No, come and chop my chicken. Not to chop chicken. I will chop this side and you chop this side. Oh? Bite.
Enjoy.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't know this one.
Sometimes he behaves and talks like someone whose senses are intact. The next minute he starts acting abnormal.
If the drug keeps him mentally unstable, then if you stop taking it, his sense will come back gradually. We just have to be alert for any funny moves so that he doesn't link those people into our plans.
You're right. Very right. See, I think I should pay closer attention to him at night. I've seen Mr. Ray come out of his room late at night and I don't feel good about it.
Yeah, that's okay. Anything to keep him away from those cannibals.
True. But can't we do more? Like get the police involved. See, James, we cannot give this guy maximum protection.
I know. But those people are rich and they're smart. We need all the evidence to prove them guilty. So therefore, we have to be careful. We have to be careful on how we involve the police to make sure that they're not those type of people that money can buy. We have to be careful.
It's true. You have to be very careful.
He's even sleeping. He's even... Look at you. Look at you. Do you know you're very, very stupid? What is wrong with you now? Eh? I've taken a whole lot of things from you, but I won't allow you to insult me in front of people. Make me look like a fool. Eh?
What did I do?
Why would you sign the wrong signature on the document I gave you to sign?
No, Hey, I didn't know it. I thought I got it right. I didn't know.
You thought you got it right?
It was not good.
So now you forgot your signature now, right? You forgot your signature.
No, I don't. Okay, don't be angry. Bring it. Bring another document. Let me see if I can remember it.
Shay, you're playing with me.
No, I'm not playing.
Shay, you're playing with me.
No.
This thing you're doing, what I'll do to you, you don't like it, oh. You don't like it, oh.
Don't be angry.
What is all this thing now?
Don't be angry.
You're pissing me off. You're pissing me off.
I'm not pissing you. I'm not pissing. Bring another document. Let me sign it and see if I'll remember.
Look at his face. Complete moron. Slight signature. That's why you're embarrassing me.
Don't be angry. I'm not embarrassing you. Bring another document. Let me try. No, that. I didn't remember it.
I'm so angry right now. Can you imagine I was messed up in front of my prospective clients because the signatures did not match. It was wrong. Yes. Doctor, I think his brain has been damaged to the extent that he can't remember anything. So they say he can't remember his signature. No, please, I can't risk it. I can't risk it anymore. What I need now is a solution. What do we do? I mean, what do I do? Rhoda. Doctor, next sent these drugs. Okay? I want you to call her and get the instructions from her on how to administer it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. And please, follow the instructions. No mistakes.
Yes, sir.
What's that?
Mr. Ray gave it to me.
For what?
I'm sure this is for Timmy. I'm sure it's for him because... Hello, Doc. Okay, ma.
I hope you're not going to give me whatever this is.
Jesus. How do we pass over this? Look at how peaceful he is, and these people are plotting evil against him. God, I can't do this, not even for all the money in the world. Hello, Doc. No, I haven't. Doc, I really don't know how to... You're coming here. It's just medicine. James. Dr. Next just called me. She said she's on her way here to administer the medication to Mr. Timini.
We need to involve the police.
I don't care. I don't care anymore. I am ready to risk it all. Whatever the consequences may be, I will face it. I would rather suffer and die honorably than be part of an evil that will haunt me forever.
Honestly, I never planned on getting myself into such.
Well. There's no need getting yourself involved in a game you will never live to win. You guys know too much. Right? But I'll be soft at first. Oh yes. So 20 million naira for you to keep your mouth shut. How about that?
Sir, with all due respect, we'll never be part of this wickedness.
Without due respect, to hell with you and your stupid money.
I see. Oh, I see. Okay.
Hello, brother.
How are you doing? Huh?
Not as bad as you thought.
Are you okay?
I am perfect.
Oh, I see.
She stopped giving me the drug and I got better.
What?
But I decided to stay calm, to observe everything happening around me.
Raymond, brother.
Everything I did for you, I did because I love you and I want to support my brother.
Why?
Why, Raymond? First, you wanted to liquidate me by stealing from my company. I found out and confronted you, but you attacked me with metal and hit my head. You connived with Dr. Next and told everybody that I suffered severe brain damage. And you both fed me with medicine for dog. For dog, Raymond. For dog. That was not enough for you. You went ahead and planned to eliminate me. How wicked can you be? Raymond! Dr. Nex has been arrested. And this building is surrounded by the police.
Ah! James. Brother. Oh. Oh. Brother. Oh.
These past few days has been the most challenging. But I'm grateful to God for blessing me with kind souls like yours. Brother, if not for your smartness and determination, I may not have survived this. James.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for being a true friend. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you. If not for your contribution, I may not have survived this too. I know it wasn't easy, but you guys endured and made sure that I survived. I am forever indebted to you both. Forever. In appreciation, I want you guys to think of any business you want to do, or anything at all. Tell me, and I'll help you finance it.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Sir, thank you so much. Honestly, I lack words to express how grateful I am. Thank you.
Nothing I do now would be compared to what you guys did for me. I should be saying thank you. In addition to that, after I'm done establishing your businesses, I will add 10 million naira each for both of you. That is to show how grateful I am. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Don't name. James, sit. Please sit. Thank you. No, I should say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
10 million.
Yes.
Miss you. Frida. Mission
Accomplished.
God. Thank you.
No. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, have you thought of what you want to do?
I know what I want to do. I want to go back to school, medical school, and become a doctor.
Okay.
What about you?
Well, I don't know. Still thinking.
That's fine. Take your time.
But one thing I know for sure is we'll make a good team.
You and who? Which team? Oh, that's true. You're Superman. So maybe you're Superman, Superwoman.